This is Kilo and Gunner's puppies at 7 weeks. They'll be ready to go home next weekend. And there is Gunner in the corner, or sorry, Storm in the corner. And there's Derek and Cassie. They have a hot dog.
You mean Kona?
No, Cassie.
Oh, that's Callie then.
Callie, sorry. Light colored cat.
Yeah,
Alice
Callie.
Come on, kids. Puppies. And there's Colt and Kona behind him. Hey, cats. Callie. Hey, Callie. Hi, Callie. So, Kona and Gunner and
Kona and
by the
Storm.
crate. Kona and Storm are by the crate. And then there goes Colt over there too. And then here is Derek and Callie. And these are Kilo and Gunner's pups. And they'll be ready to go home next weekend.
And everybody was fine at the vet on Monday.
Everyone was fine at the vet. Everybody did good. Yes, yes, yes. Here, you eat this instead. There you go.
Or I'm gonna gang up in the crate.